Welcome back to Squawk Box, everyone. Warren Buffett making a bold political prediction this week.
Is Hillary going to win?
Hillary's going to win. Yeah, I will bet money on it. I mean,
You will bet money.
I don't do that easily.
He was talking about Hillary Clinton with the 2016 presidential election. He made those comments at Fortune's Most Powerful Women Summit in California. We were talking before, maybe not completely shocking, because he supported both Hillary and Barack Obama 8 years ago, or 6 years ago at this point.
Yeah, 6 years,
Yeah.
right. Let's ask David Darst about the market and politics.
Joseph,
where do you
Joseph,
go? Yeah.
what the markets want, what consumers want, what the broad swath of America wants is structural reform. You've talked about the Fed delaying this. We need education. We need infrastructure. We need investment, okay? We need the debt and deficit to be addressed. We need societal disparity to be addressed, and we need the value of the dollar to be treasured and prized a little bit. Those are the things that we needed. We need to cut taxes, 35 to 38% versus 20% average for the rest of the world. Children know this. This is what's needed. This is what's going to create a sustainable economic advance and position the United States for growth over the next 20 years. But we're in a muddle through, dysfunctional. August the 5th, 2011, Standard & Poor's, at the end of the day, it was a Friday, 5:15 in the afternoon, cut the bond rating in the United States from AAA to AA+. And they cited our dysfunctionality. Now, talk about politics. The Republicans need somebody who can raise money. This is today a campaign about money. It is not about issues. And if you look at Republican potential candidates, you've got to look for people. Can they raise money? And I do not see that. You have a financial. This is a financially oriented show we're on. You have a financial treasure chest that's already been amassed by the candidates on the Democratic side. And you need to figure out people who can not only make these structural reforms, but who can raise money to run a campaign.